The damage in North Texas, nothing like what the town of Perryton, north and east of Amarillo, experienced yesterday when a tornado went through that city. Storm chasers showing you what that tornado looked like Thursday afternoon. 3 people died in that storm and dozens more were hurt. And another storm chaser caught what appears to have been a second tornado that hit just outside of Perryton. Look at that, a very close look at the twister as it tears up the land in that rural area. And after the storms moved out, drone footage gave us our first look at the destruction left behind. The tornado went through the downtown area and into neighborhoods. Homes and mobile homes couldn't stand up to the force of the wind. And this morning, the task of cleaning up before the rebuilding can start is already underway. The population of Perryton, around 8,000. Early estimates show as many as 200 homes in the community are destroyed. In the downtown area, some of the storefronts are partially collapsed.
I know there's people here who died today serving our community. And some of the best people I've ever met in my life are here in this town.
Of those injured, 10 are reported in critical condition. 2 people are unaccounted for. Volunteers from North Texas are already on the ground in the Panhandle. Our Kennedy Walker joins us with the statewide response to help the families in Perryton.
Texas Baptist men sent a half a dozen volunteers to Perryton to assess the damage and assist those in need of help after that devastating tornado. This video shows the devastating damage that left 3 people dead and countless others injured. The twister flattened this entire neighborhood. Texas Baptist men is on the ground in the Panhandle responding to the call for help.
They're taking plastic totes and cardboard boxes, passing that out to families and helping them collect their belongings from the destruction and the devastation.
It's unclear how long it will take for families to get back on their feet, but TBM says they'll be there for as long as it takes. Governor Greg Abbott also deploying a number of teams, including Texas Task Force 1 and 2, the urban search and rescue teams, state transportation department crews to work on traffic controls and roads, and engineers along with their equipment to help restore water service and other utilities. Anyone with damage is encouraged to fill out an assessment survey online. That information can be found on our website. In Dallas, Kennedy Walker, CBS News, Texas.